The need to increase the efficiency of industrial production is constantly growing. Strong international competition, small-scale production series, and customers' demands for short delivery times are creating tougher challenges for production planning. The increasing complexity of production and its planning requires production organizations to create new know-how and to adopt intelligent production systems. Delfoi Planner uniquely combines advanced scheduling, manufacturing execution, and capacity forecasting capabilities into one integrated cloud service. Delfoi Planner is an easy-to-use and visual production planning and optimization solution. Delfoi Planner improves the competitiveness of companies by shortening production lead times, improving delivery reliability and productivity, and improving transparency between sales and production. Delfoi Planner allows production planning, optimization, and control to be seamlessly integrated into the company processes. Our browser-based cloud service solution is easy and fast to deploy, guarantees affordable and risk-free maintenance, and reduces the lifecycle costs of the solution. Delfoi Planner has been proven to streamline design and improve productivity. 30 to 50% reduction in lead times, radically improved supply chain security and reduced overtime, reduced work in progress by 20 to 30%, capacity increase of 10 to 30%, and planning time reduced by up to 2/3. How can your company and your operations benefit from Delfoi Planner? We're happy to tell you more. Please contact us for more information.